So HyperX is one of my favorite brands out there for PC gaming accessories and also components as well too. They make some great quality products. Here at CES 2019, they got two cool products that I got the chance to check out that I think a lot of people will enjoy, especially for those that are streamers and those that like really immersive gaming experiences. That is going to be the Quadcast microphone and the Cloud Orbit S headphones. Let's start off with the microphone, the Quadcast. This is the first from HyperX. They never made a microphone before. This is a pretty cool standalone microphone. It's a condenser microphone that's going to have its own anti-shock mount built into it. It's also going to have a pop filter built into it as well too. It has 4 polar patterns that you can choose from. Just kind of snap right along just to get the right pattern that you want to get with it. Has an LED, nice little red LED built into it, and it has a pretty cool tap to mute feature right on top of it. So when you tap to mute it, the LED will sort of go out and let you know that you're in mute mode. It's pretty cool, pretty useful for those that maybe not want certain audio to sort of go over during your stream and such like that. So that's pretty cool. That's supposed to come out in Q2. I think a lot of people will like that, especially streamers that really like to have high quality microphones. And when hopefully I can get a good chance to test that out, because I really hope the quality is really good on those. The other thing that's really exciting, and it's easier to experience than explain, I would say, with this, is the Cloud Orbit S headphones. So these are really nice headphones that are going to come with Planar Magnetic Drivers. Not sure if you know what those are. Those are pretty high-end drivers. You usually find those in really expensive headphones, and they're sort of bringing it down here into gaming. So the audio quality on these are crisp and great so far from the music and the gaming experience that I've heard from it during my demo. But the major thing that these have is the sort of 3D technology in terms of its audio, the Waves 3D technology that has the ability to have 360-degree head tracking. So basically what that means is like when you're just kind of walking out in the real world and you just kind of turn your head from left and right and look around, you notice all the audio. As you turn the audio, sort of the loudness or the lowness can kind of change as you sort of look around. These headphones can do the exact same thing while you're in game. So if you're looking to the left or the right or to a corner, it's going to adjust the audio like that as well too at the same time. And it really gives you more of a vastly immersive and real experience with it. It's kind of hard to explain. It's one of those ones you really have to kind of experience it, using it to really understand it. And I really like this so far, and I think a lot of people will, especially if they want that really true immersive, deep down experience, and you want it to be sort of as real as you could possibly get it in your gaming headphones. And the Cloud Orbit S seems to be the one that can do that from my demo and testing. I can't wait to get both of these products in to really give you my true review on those, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below between the two of them, between the Quadcast mic and the Cloud Orbit S. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Thank you for watching. This is BWOne from BWOne, and always remember to live your tech world in high definition.